throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
Now, before the video stops, I just want to say that if I say Mr. Pepper, I really mean Gaming Pepper. I'm used to saying Mr. Pepper as my channel. Yo guys, what is up? It is Mr. Pepper, and today we're going to be making our last final video before school starts, because when school starts, I won't have a lot of time to be making videos, and I really won't have a lot of time to do other stuff, but doing school and homework. So yeah guys, let's get right into it. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because this video it took me a while to figure out how to make, or basically how to do. Because, I'm not really good at, I'm good with tech, but, I'm just not good at finding out things. So today, I actually found something really cool. Well, you guys know the app Andriod, where you can make intros for Android or on your PC. Well, I did find a way to make just using Andriod, but having your own template without having to get other templates and having to edit text. So really all you have to do is basically, I think 3 steps, sort of. 3 steps, I think, which is make your text and then name your text and then do the editing you like. So here, I'll show you an example. Well, actually, yeah, an example right here. This is actually also my intro. If you guys haven't saw, if you got, this is my intro. Sorry for the stumbling on my words. I just really am tired a little bit, so. But yeah, here is the intro. Yeah, so, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you at the end of the video, because I have to say something special. So yeah, see you at the end. Okay guys, so you are going to need Chrome, or an internet. Okay, hold on, I did not want to show that. You're going to need a Chrome internet, a Pixel Lab, and KineMaster. Well, Pixel Labs, actually you don't need Pixel Lab. Why did I say that? That's if you know how to import pictures. So yeah, I recommend you do this on your PC, so you can transfer files from your PC to Android. I'd rather you do this on PC, or make your intro on your PC and then kind of transport it. So yeah, so search up Andriod. If this is for Android, if you want to make a homemade on Android, yeah. So go to Andriod and go to Andriod here. Okay, now what you got to do is you got to click Desktop Site and click Clip Maker. Now you're gonna let it load. Don't click on these templates. If you're gonna make your own template, just go to Objects right there and click Add Object. This right there, and click Text, Custom 3D Text, and click on your you can move it. It's not really gonna do much. And then I'm gonna teach you how to rotate. So if you scroll down to rotation, you have these rotations. So go to your music audio. You don't have to import. You don't really need it if you're doing Android. So you want to scoot it to about 13 right there, and then press plus on the rotation, and then go and find wherever, and then insert the rotation numbers, and then when you're done with that, mine's 360. You're gonna scroll out and press go. Now you're gonna play it. There you go. You could, if you want to, oh god, no. It's a little hard to stop it from playing. If you want, you can move, your part. What is that? Why is that open? I don't want that open. You can move that a little bit over. Whatever you want to your likings. So that's mine. And then you could edit your rotation, but I'm not going to edit it, and then yeah, that's how it looks. So when you're done, you're just going to want to press download and press start render. Now obviously I'm not going to do that because I have I'm just going to teach you now how to make the text. So yeah, or making your homemade intro. So it's either grab an intro template, and then I'll show you what I mean. So just go to KineMaster. I'm not gonna, yeah, actually I will, never mind. So go to KineMaster, you're going to want to go to media browser and go into your video, find your video. Now in this case, I'm just gonna do, oh wait, hold on, bad idea. So in this case, you're going to want to click on, you're gonna find your intro template or make a template. Let's make a small template quickly. Oh, hold on. Let's make a quick template. And then about right here, we're gonna go image. And just, this is sort of how you're gonna make, if you want, you can make your template like this. This is just like quick, easy to make template. And then move that down, okay, like that, and it looks like this. It looks cool. You could do it with any color, really. And then when it's there, you just put in your, you click on video and click on video converter or whatever you use, and then scale it to your thing, and then press chroma key and press enable. And then I'm gonna do black, and then it's gonna be black, so just do what I did, and then it should look like this. Bam! It's basically how, it doesn't look exactly like that because like mine's a video I made. It's like an intro, so. But here guys, and then when you're done with that, just press share and press save to video gallery. And also to get the video layer, you're gonna actually have to have root or something, or have a modded APK or something like that. But nowadays you actually have to find a modded APK, which is very hard to do. I had mine since really I don't know when, and then my friend mentioned me one. Search up my KineMaster mod APK, and you're gonna have to find one. And then you're gonna press full HD or high definition. It's gonna do it. It's gonna export. So yeah, guys, that's basically how to make a PC intro on your Android. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And before, I do want to say something. So, I will not be uploading any more, what are those? Tutorial videos for a long time, and I will be doing a giveaway soon. So, stay tuned for that. To enter the giveaway, when it comes out, you're going to want to like the video a new video, not this video, like, it's going to be called giveaway, the video. So when I make a video called giveaway, you guys are going to want to like that video, and you're going to want to subscribe and comment, done. And then you're going to want to check my, like, I have an email, so I'm going to put my business, well, not business, I'm going to put, like, my talk email so you can talk to me, or send me, like, important things, like, tutorial didn't work, or, like, please make a link for this, or have any ideas for my videos, or tutorial videos, like that stuff, guys. So, yeah, this is Mr. Pepper, or Gaming Pepper. Oh, yeah, also, I do now have my own custom, I actually finally have a real, what is it called? I have a real logo. So yeah. Also, if you guys check the link, you are allowed to copy my videos, like as in like take them, but you do have to give me credit for them, for making the video, like tutorial videos, gaming videos, other stuff. And if you guys want me to make, because I'm actually going to start making like no copyright videos, like gameplay. I make other stuff for you guys. And I will be probably giving out, well, not giving out, making some more gaming video for you guys. It's just like, I don't know, I'm not really good with, I'm just not really like in the mood to making gaming videos anymore. I mean, I could do commentary, which would be sort of gaming, but like, you guys really wouldn't see much gaming. I mean, you would see gaming for the background commentary, but yeah, guys, this is Gaming Pepper, or Mr. Pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day, and peace!
I can swear, I can joke,